abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
It has been a long time. Welcome, guys, to Enkundleni Exclusive. Sikhona lapha at Deb3 Studios. Offered to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner when it comes to media planning and events management. Guys, my name is Nondudu Zongcube, and as usual, ngihamba lo General Leslie. And before we move on today, let me just brief you about what Deb3 Events does. So if you have any type of event that you're hosting and you need events management services and media services, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events. Usebenza ama contacts akhona lapho ku screen. Nxa ufuna bo ma PA system, nxa ufuna bo ma stage hire, nxa ufuna DJing, LED screens, ama special effects, smoke machines, you name it, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events. And also, siyawazi ukuthi nxa kulama events you always need photography and videography services. I-Deb3 layo futhi ilakho ukuthi ikuphathise ngakho khona lokho. So sithi all under one roof. Guys, it's been a while. It's been a long time no see.
Yeah,
Leslie.
but mina bengikhona.
Ubukhona nga?
Studio.
Studio nga?
Last week mina I was working. Ayisikuthi wena ngalova emsebenzini impela. Mina last week I was working. And I work for a living.
You turn, you sleep work, you drink work, you eat work, you
I
walk
work. Work. Yimina la ingoma.
Okay.
Well, hello and welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. This is your boy General Leslie, one committee ngobulawa at least tusasengani uyahlekisa abanye betshaya poetry lan. Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic work, t-shirt printing, cap printing, whether you need posters, banners, or you're branding your new shop in town and we know, and you need mkotokoto to be branded very well like ukanye kungani ngbenqinye. Yabona kule that thing, you know. Visit Okuhle Designs today, and we are on holiday, guys. A lot of things are happening. You have a stand at Trade Fair or whatever that you're planning to do, and you need someone to come and brand your stand, or it's a lobola function and you need some banners. Make sure you contact Okuhle Designs on the numbers that I've put on the screen, and they have got you covered. Yeah. Let's go.
So, I'm just thinking, okay, you're mentioning about your holiday and stuff. I hope you guys had a lovely Easter holiday.
Easter whereas I say Lubu Easter.
What are you saying?
No, like you want to go to Easter. Whoa, when the town kube emthamasabata bezkhonqeni.
I think ama-church amaningi vele bekungama-conference.
Ama-bar empty.
So are you saying people who go to bars are the ones who go to...
Ama-bar empty abantu beye kuma-conference.
Ish.
Lebrokisa abantu bama-bar, guys. Nxa siya ama-conference like asikambeni in stages kuthiwe this week kuyahamba laba bayasala. Next week kuyahamba. Singahamba sonke kawan. Beku-empty tawo.
Abantu bebengela mali. Ayikhona abantu bebengela mali.
Hayi imali bayisiphelele mali. Why this week izogcwele ama conference epheli.
So gaya kutshela le indaba efuna uxoxela yona. Engiyibonileyo. There's this guy. Azulama abantu ongamelanga unyela bemhlabeni yazi. Usuhleka mina ngeke kutshela ukuthi
nyawazi ukuthi indlela be serious ngawe ufuna uxoxela indaba. Abantu enhle buyayo.
Lalela, let me finish, be a good listener.
All right.
Okay, so this guy has 2 wives.
Wow, what a man.
And ele 2 wives njengakhona lokho ebizwa uTinashe Mgabe. I don't know what led to Tinashe Mgabe being called, but the show appeared on Tinashe Mgabe's DNA show. The DNA show, and you know it, right? So now, after DNA tests were done, the guy discovers that both wives have children, which are not his.
Why? This is the way that look. Labo nkosikazi abawu-2
ababili
and onkosikazi bawu-2 balabantwana
balabantwana yeah
and abantwana laba
bonke bobabili ayisibo bakhe
No, but our life is stupid.
bobabili ayisibo bakhe
But wena nje uthi lapha manje la ngingazi. Mina I think abafazi abasoleki la.
what are you saying
Abafazi abawu-2 bonke balabantwana and abantwana bonke bawu-2 ayisibo bakho.
ayisibo bakho yes
Hayi awethu sebasole njani abafazi. Ngabe ngoyi-1 ngabe sithi lo kezwa lo.
umama omncane ufikelayo wangena emfolweni
Because the question is wena futhi ngowabhala isihlalo esikababa. Like yiko mina engicina ngizibuza like yo lokhu kuyathusa. Kuyini right okwenza uma mncane la azangene emfolweni like there's something phela maybe baba angayenzi kuhle.
I think we have this problem. Ngibona even when I was looking at the comments, we have this habit to blame a victim.
Aye, but lapho we are not blaming a victim, man. Because lapho the victim is also playing a certain role ekubeni ngupephethe. Ngabafazi abawu-2 amadoda kodwa shalo othiwa i-victim. Hayi. Ayani. But abafazi abawu-2.
Now
Two.
I think vele lapha isindebele sithi ezalelwe esibayeni yani.
Yeah, ngeyakho but
So I think abantwana laba vele kumele nje azigcinile abantwana.
abantwana kugcina but also yimcabango yami I'm not saying it's exactly like that I'm just maybe broadening up ukuthi uzathola ukuthi mhlawumbe vele okwenza waziwaletha unkosikazi wesibili yokuthi mhlawumbe ubebona ngathi unkosikazi wokuqala akayenzi kuhle yena kunguye ongenzi kuhle.
Yeah, because vele ungakhangela indaba eziningi nxa ku marriage kusala ukuthi kube lo mntwana. The first person to blame is the
yiko mina ngithi lapha blame a victim because ube yi-victim lo esaseyiwazi kanti sewu-2
kathi wena ungatshontshela lapho uphinde uyotshontshela egodini ayengeke sikuthi uyi-victim.
la evuka mani. Hayi every month ending kuthiwe this month ending ngathi ngiyahola atshontshela. Wekela ukubhala ama-corrections next month ngathi ngivela hayi la utshintsha indlela yokuhamba kumbe ubiza i-indrive ungena ku-indrive uhambe endlini because two like ubenzani abafazi abawu-2 sehlelo mithiso yi-1.
Now also another interesting part is when you listen to the entire conversation, we'll find there's a part where he sort of like admits that he forces his women to have sex with him. Like he doesn't say it directly, but khona ukuthi uyabe kukhuluma ukuthi uya try kwenzani?
Usebenzisa udlame.
Ipower yakhe ukuthi aze abe le sexual intercourse with his own wife.
But mina ngiyacabanga nje ayisikho kwenzakeleyo babukeli lingathiko. Ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ukudiscover kwakhe ukuthi mhlawumbe akala nhlanyelo okwenze waze wabiza uDinashe. Mhlawumbe bele ithokazi phandle.
But you know what? Now, the thing is, I didn't watch the entire video, but this guy, he was boasting. Ukuthi yena vela uyanemba kadlali.
So victim uyabona umuntu lana ohambe egangeni so eseyathiya so thinyamazana sasikwenza thina ukuthiya ngesidinki and ufaka amawaya so ukuthi lapha kudlula impala lapha kudlula ibhalabhala lapha kudlula amathendeni uthi ufika lapha emathendeleni uthola ubamba inyoka ubuye so ekhawuze mina bulala ngokubamba bulala ngokuba because nxa yena amadoda angithi nxa kuthiwa umuntu lo uyabulala ngokuhlohla phela sibala ama-goals 4-0 5-0 yena Carespe lo uyadliwa 2-0 but uthi uyabulala ngokuhlohla but iteam yatshona 2-0 i-Wolves
And itehlekisa because I read a lot of comments. Nxa kusenza kanjalo.
very into njalo very comment section is
Men are fuming.
bathi
Men are fuming. Ukuthi hey, kato mama these days banjani?
idlala bakithi idlala
What's the problem ngomama these days?
but ubaba I think ukuthi thina obaba admit in most cases on a serious note like sitshona sibhema amashisha siyanatha because these days into yabona ukuthi uyabuzitshela ukuthi uthenga iHennessy but these days kubuya kuphela kuyimbodlela evalwe Hennessy
Yeah,
but
yes.
phakathi so Hennessy so sitshona sinathi intshengu indirect we don't know sinathi intshengu but sinathi intshengu every day then isikafu futhi esisidlayo mathumba khona wetown abephekwe ngamasoda
Because you
Apho
find
sidla,
yazi
wathola-
uthina into ezayikhuluma namhla. I'm not trying to be anti-men or what. But I think that's the other reason why you find these days abafana these days abasathathi. Even angathatha umfazi kahlali laye
yes true
because abasakwanisi ukuyendla abafazi.
intambo eparaffin asifiki
You have a very poor diet and you are not an active person, which means ukudla okungalungelanga umzimba awu exercise kuba nguwe nje you're not fit enough ngezinye indlela
and economy is very bad so economically Leslie awukho emotionally Leslie awukho kwini lokho kunye intimacy futhi Leslie awukho physically vele kungangena ukundwane ngoba lekugada umphetho so awukho like because obaba bethu phela kulabo baba bethu sibilo uthola belabo unkosikazi 7 engasebenzi bemsebenzela
which also makes me wonder.
bemsebenzela so umdala
It makes me wonder les. Kudala uzokuthiwa nxa kulokho zenkukhu kuthiwa isifuba mbele iqolo ngelikababa. The best parts of food gcinela ubaba. Kuthiwa mama bekwazi into abayenzayo lapha nani?
babekwazi sibili babekwazi ukuthi ngoba ungalikhangela lona iqolo anti alila nyama eningi sibili compared to abo thigh lesifuba anti but lilokunye kuyimkantsho ku right compare
They knew what they were doing.
babekwazi abakwenzayo
Isitshebo kungaphela isitshebo sibe singasala sahle sithathwe sifake umganulano wekhango lesivalo.
owesivalo la
Kuthe
ubaba,
ubaba uzavuka esidle ekseni.
Amanqina.
Ekseni kadlila aje ubaba. Epheke isitshebo esichisayo.
esisayo lesithobo lesiyana
Lesitshebo lesiyana.
sichayo baba ukwenza ukuthi at least nxa izakudla idoti ngale etshwaleni anti but at least edlile futhi lokudla okulungileyo.
They knew what they were doing.
Babekwazi mama babehlambi babekhangela impilo zabo zokuthi banga
Ukuthi lapha ngingaswela la.
Yabona indlela. Amanqina vele ayengabanjwa vele amanqina. Bamphekela ubaba sobazibathela umsobho sowamanqina awadlaza nani. Liya kwambala lolu lalubukhali lolu umama uyabekwazi ntambamba. Kela mlindlala la.
Ngoba khathesi you find ukuthi umuntu uzavuka ekseni edla 2 slices sesinkwa lemajarini hanathi kuyitiye.
Lebe khona.
Kumbe kuyimazoe raspberry ayikhona la orange crush.
Kulale iphela imazoe ende. Anti yena imazoe iright nje. Kuba sokubalele. 2020.
So kahle nxa umama efuna ukuthola kahle kumele afide ubaba.
Ubekwazi because obvious vele nxa sesingale endaweni zethu no ematshwaleni ethu ngala. Nxa kuthiwa udle into ephosibe ngcono ungathola emephandle kuthengiswa amazambane kumbe amaqanda. But isikhathi eziningi vele sidla vele awukwazi ukuthi kuphekwe njani vele yikuphomba ukuthi ungama ration lokho
othola kulama plastic phakathi.
okunqumela emlonyeni ungakuluma sokunqumile so ration kwakho yikho sabe sikuchaya vele sibha si happy then nxa usithi la udla into engcono uyabusidla inkukhu lezi ezithengiswa phandle inkukhu lezi amfuxoxo ukuthi bazithatha ngaphi ezijibhile zabe ziwoswa lapha phandle lapha izo yabo zithazwa lezana nje lamathumba ko Ivans lawa ababewajikele phandle then thina buya lapha sochaya amathumbu lawa so uyabu ulokhu ungezelela
So
idoti
ama-toxins,
ngapho sunathi utshwala obuchisayo because ujombile so sunathi amagweba phansi lawana lokhu faka vele izinto ezingayisizwa and kunatheni kwakhona awula vele ukuthi wena thi khasi lumbi black label unathi okuthengwayo kulapho sekuthenga icorona suyishaya siphelile sukubuya abangani bakho abasha suyitshaya lapha sokuthiwa sokulethatha nkawu suyitshaya uyathaka kuphela uhlangana lento eziningi so enkareza akusela umuntu ogabhayo akusela spade akuselani siyaphila nje kuphela siyaphambili lapho uyaqalisa khona ukuclean system nxa sokugula sizokuthi ungcolile so siyaclean esibhedlela so ngesikhathi sona esingakaguli ukhona uyabe egula endlini khona ngesikhathi sona lesi ingakaguli mina serious ukhona ogulayo yikho cina khona siba laba nkosikazi ababili wena upho and wena anti thina vese sitshela ukuthi kuphele i-podcast ibukelwa la ngabantwana but ngingafanisela ngizitshela ukuthi wena uyabuzitshela ukuthi khonkana ukuthi ufikile kuphela ecansini yabuzitshela ukuthi amna vele yanyayenza vele ungakwazi ukuthi it goes beyond ukuthi kuthiwa ufikile wena because ukuthi kuphela namuhla ngihambile ngabona umdala ngaphuma ngo10 ngabona omncane ngaze ngajumeka ngo12 wena ubuzitshela ukuthi amna vele ngiyindoda vele ungakwazi lapha ubuzitshela ukuthi uja ukwele wena uja impembe.
That's something else. Yeah. So I think it's all about but also I think it's a bit unfair to put a responsibility of men's health on women as well. Yeah. Ngoba omama bethu ngabantu ababe ngama housewives mostly and they had time to do all that kind of stuff. So mina ngeke ngivuke ngipheke isitshwala esichisa ekseni sonke kumele siphume ngo7 endlini.
Enxa wena vele umele uphume ngo6.
You get it? Yeah. So I think it's a bit unfair. But into ekhona ukuthi people as individuals kumele bazinakekele banakekele imizimba yabo because indaba yena le futhi ukuthi kuthiwa nxa kungelanzalo i-problem iba kumama. I think it's been over discussed.
Yeah, true.
There is a time which it was really, really discussed and people were educated about it. Which sometimes it's not the responsibility of the woman to conceive all the time. Sometimes the problem here is so I think people are they are aware. No, it takes two to make a baby. So I think people are aware. So I think it's also unfair which city women should be the ones taking care of their men. But if you can, guys, it's for your own benefit.
And also the fact yokuthi undoda lo nguye yena yedwa obize uTinashe.
I'm not sure ukuthi nguye obize uTinashe yini. On that one I could be wrong, yeah. I'm not sure because
But lako still even nxa kuyizihlobo kuthi kule nto abayibonayo. All right. Mfowethu dlana ichizi uhambe esikliniki uyechekwa kuyatholakala bakithi it's common. I think amadoda amaningi would agree with me ukuthi it's common ukuthi sometimes umpopho ungasadubuli into eziningi zingasayenzakali but also talk to other men for starters. Hlalani nje amadoda lixoxa kumbe ukhulume lenye indoda mhlawumbe endala kulawe mhlawumbe encane mhlawumbe lolwazi masukwehlule go an extra mile visit ama men's clinic even abesintwini bona labane sibazonda hamba bodokotela bethu besintwini abakhula belatho baba bethu bona bafika ukuthi amadoda lapha ngicela lincedise ngezigubhu lani izigubhu ayikho lezi ezithezwa ko6 izigubhu sibili eziphekwa kuhle sibili mhlawumbe ungathola usizo but ungaba le pride yona leyana ukuthi akwenza ukuthi intshele. And also I think these illegal tablets esiwathengayo la in the long run aslimaza thina nje amadoda. The enlarging pills and all that. Okuyizinto lokhana kulesikhathi sokusebenza. Then lapho kuma khona ukusebenza kwabe sokuthetha umkanje wonke sokumele uphile ngakho.
Sort of like an addict.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ukuthi vele nxa kungasekho khona vele wena vele usafunction. kumele khona vele kube yikho sokufunction. So uyabufuna ukwethusa umuntu oyi-1 ngelanga eli-1 uzilimaza impilo yakho yonke. Uzithi
I think this is
kudla isalary yami yonke lokho ngikuqophile lokho kathi.
I think ama issues omele libe likhuluma ngawo ukuvulekana lawo. These are quite important issues. And also on another issue that we saw it trend just a few days ago, we've talked, I think before we've talked about media misleading the public.
Bastages.
Misinformation. We've talked about this in the exactly.
Bastages.
Yeah. And I don't know why it's becoming a common thing. Guti, I'm a journalist, they just write stuff without really verifying it. I'm suspecting it could be because of wanting to be the person who reports first about a certain issue. But I think this time it went a bit too far.
Yeah.
Because we saw an article, it trended. And the other thing is, this was reported by even media houses that are very credible.
Trusted.
You know, we saw ukuthi kube igift ka Nduna uDakamele. She was given a gift in courts.
Yes. He was given a gift. Yes. So, andi mina ngihambanga this year kumklomelo. I had my events ambalwa, so abengenza ukuthi ngihambe just one day. So I was following almost everything, my socials, check nje. So khamba njani? So khamba njani? And mainly bengikhangela kakhulu especially abantu abazathatha imklomelo lokuthi kuyini oku outstanding, ngambona ipost uthi kwayo labo Mbuso Khoza. So I was hoping ama workshop lawa abephuma, then boom nxa ngena online ngizokuthiwa uDakamele selonkosikazi. Ngathi ya. Lama picture athi pha akankosikazi kaDakamele.
A virgin wife.
A virgin wife, a princess. Ngumntana enkosi.
Yes.
Sithabe thina nje ubulawayo emuhle, sithabe sithi even iposi drawer at least induna silonkosikazi sithabe. And well, namhla ngoko umuntu yokulola abantu, but ngubona, I think ngakubona ku 3 media houses, and
I saw it from a lot of.
Angithi khonapho papa ngabona ku 3, and I was so excited with nxa kuphuma la
Ukuthi abantu abakopelana la.
Liqiniso.
Kunomunye obhala into engayisiyo, then the rest babe seyakopa.
So ngisithe ukuthi nxa kuphumela la ukuthi yikho sisenthabile. Akubanga lesikhathi eside. Mbone sokuthi nje. Sokuthiwa hayi no. Then ngibalile, if you read i-response ka Princess. Yeah, laphana manje yikho ngiyangeke khona kuyangisa. Because mayise responder so anti sokuhle kutshengisa ukuthi kuthi thina vela sila ama journalist.
Ku report oyi1. Then bakopelana, yes. No one bothered to verify
story kodwa kupostwe nguzibani ukhona ngale ukhona ngapho nje wonke umuntu wahluka. So I don't want amanga khona alula ukuthi ahambe. And we've always talked about Sisira, propaganda, what, and sometimes we usually blame politicians for wrong information, but nangu lapha kula politics la. Amanga nje qala umuntu oyi1 ama-media, because if it was politically affiliated, all this, and right now all of us would be saying andiyabona ukuthi benzana abantu be-politics baqamba amanga nti laba bafosiwe ukubhala lapha kula muntu ofosi ukubhala la.
Mina mbona uthanda ukuthi bakopelana la.
But
because usukopa amanga phela amanga la because into efana nayo but engekho accurate. Which shows that these people are copying from each other.
But I don't want to see indawo man. Then Tina now, especially Masogo, because this could have been a serious issue. if ngabe wacabanga sibili ukuyibhesua uprincess wathi right and it be defamation of character
Defamation.
kuthiwa kuyini kanti into zabe ze-lawyer khonokho so ngabe wacabanga right ukuthi right mina lapha lingcolisa ibizo la wa-aphila sibili ngabe karesile problem abafowethu zomele babhadale because lina selimhlambalazile lathi uprincess uyi-gift
Yazi into engichazile yini ngezinye kade zidefenda ngesikhathi kuthiwa gift athi kulalezi zama-human rights kathi sithi hayi vele umuntu uzaphiwe ibe i-gift njani watotala
sesithinga
lezi ezinye eseziphendule sesithi abantu laba bevele bevakatshelana before
lapha isitori besiziningi to the extent bayazana
uchifu behlale siya khonale so kukhona okuyabe kusenziwa
Bayazana,
ku-background behind the scenes
and also yikho yabona khona ukuthi abantu abareportayo they're not well researched umcimbi lwana vele somcimbi wokuthi kuthiwa kuyaganiswa so
mina ngicazwe ngikudefenda yazi imagine udefende kangako
ubuzunanzelela ukuthi hayi no wena usule walwa zowathi akudla bahlanya bathi umntwana wenkosi igift hayi bayazana vele lina vele lingalaleli vele uyahlanya then akwela into enjalo
hayi but kuyangisile shem
ya kusiyangise nje sonke kakhulu
kanti sama-princess abe asafuni ukubuya la
baba sizawuthi kuyathiwa ngingadlula kuyathiwa ngiyi-gift but angazi yini elijenalizayo ukuthi mina I wish ngelinye ilanga nje sike sibize i-journalist not to fire at him or what just for my sake mina engenzanga i-journalism ukuthi bapomba ukusichasisela ama-ethics akhona lokuthi izitori zithathwa njani lokuthi kuze kuthiwe isitori sesikhitshwa njani akusela yini okokuthiwa main editors I don't know what they would call them ukuthi kungaba le story sakho then siyahanjiswa lapha before
hayi mina mbona ngani zikhona ezihanjiswa ngali
owezinye fakani
kulezinye ekungamelanga liphonga ukuziposta
wohlonkubuza I didn't want to say this but now I have to ku Dontandeka King masterclass amakhosi ngacina sengixabana kakhulu labantu be-national broadcast we set up like this. We set up khona we take time to set up. After setting up, we do our interview as planned. Set it up, so we planned for this. Nxa siqeda uku-interviewer i-guest sokumele iphume so that nisale mvala in ishow. Kwangena abantu be-national broadcaster bafika baqesa ukutshintsha isethi yethu so batshintsha isethi yethu so bakhipha ukuthi ibhana lethu lingaphumi bakhangelisa emdulini bakhipha amafoni baqalisa uku-interviewer i-national le ngikhuluma ngayo abala ndawo yoku-interviewer abala zinto bakhipha babuya bafika and bafika bakhuluma ukuthi we are the national hayi kuzathiwa nti
udoni uthwale enzima umntana abantu
khipha amafoni 3 questions setting up phela kungasiyangisi la and imagine SABC sifika lamafoni so it we are the national broadcaster so we keep amafoni abo so comment right mina nguLeslie Mvele Deb 3 right sesibe interviewer kade sikhuluma wothi hello SABC khuluma hello SABC ukhuluma Riteki wothi hello that's exactly what happened and thina nje abantu abaphosa babesivala sabekela baqeda basebeqedile sasisithi madoda awungene emzini wenye indoda ufika utshintshe setup utshintshe izinto uqaso no let's talk about this thing sonke singama media house and khulumana guys lathi sifuna ukwenza something and besicela ispace because leso kuyindawo yethu le sesiyithethe sayibranda senza konke lina lilalutho alilabhana lilezigipha
yeah. So I think they were trying to be bullies, isn't it?
Yeah, but I was bully peloton. Usibhuli. Thina belimpa siyazi uswazi ukuthi lubuhlungu nje vele sikwazi. Asibhuleki. Silenkani.
Spoiled brat.
Vese ngama spoiled brats. Asibhuleki vese lenkani.
So anyway, sasidlulile ku-Easter, we're now approaching independence, we're approaching trade fair. But now I'm seeing there's Luna Park that side. It is always empty. It's always packed. Towards trade fair. I'm not sure.
Yeah, in most times ama days similar.
But it's always, but in Luna Park it's always packed.
Yeah. Remember this year there's a lot that's happening. Fuel is up, macros izinto they're going up. So akusafani la kudala ukuthi awukwanisa ukuhamba labantwana every day. Fika ubagade imthingo le $3. And umntwana wayengavugada umthingo wavugada lo kakade lo. So akade uvugada uvuka $12. Singakabali fuel yokuyafika and umntwana sefuka ukudla uchinda, sefuka udweba, sefuka ibhaluni ekhanda.
But it's always, it's quite empty.
My fuel prices like aselimazi into eziningi because asithi bayagada njengami so nyabeni labantwana bami abangu-4 laba kamalume abavakatshileyo bevele ekhaya abangu-3 then so ngoba ungakhangela kares kube other way round abantu abaningi bagada amabhasi baya emakhaya not ukuthi abantu abasemakhaya basivakatshele town because kunzima uqalisa ukubhoda labantwana bakabhodi mbatshengisa even town it's empty if you're doing business in town sibili akula mali sibili.
But now, there's this new joint, leisure for kids. Good price $10 per hour. Like I won't mention the name.
Yes. I saw that.
So people were complaining under the comments to say $10 per hour, guys. I want about $3.
$30.
You know, and it's funny because people are complaining about money, but these joints keep on opening because I think it's the third place.
It is actually. It is.
It's the third place in the past 2 years or so. That's the third new place.
No, imali yabantu labana bayithola because obviously ungakhangela even indlela abafaka ngawo ama joints lawa. Asowethu vele. Thina bethu bahambe Luna Park. Look at
ukuthi afakelwa ngayo.
Alabanikazi ukuthi kuyafika so kunye ngo-spoiled brat so kungumfoso ubone sokukhipha ama-$100 because sokwenze kufanana lo ngama indawo ezilama-games thola bedlala i-PlayStation and thule kugcwele sibili and ungabuza umntwana wakithi amagwegwe ukuthi uyakwazi lapho lama-PlayStation akakwazi because kithi ngale kuyabe kungani kuyadula but kulabantu bakho vele abantu laba kufanele even le ndawo nje zokukwejisa kulezinye indawo nje uthi the same na bengixoxa lo munye ngimtshela ukuthi akwazi ukuthi angafika endaweni enje so esithi indaba ngathi angafiki nje njalo ukufika nxa nge-MC nxa ngela gig so this angaqhatshwa igig likhona ngale so angafiki so indawo le ndawo vele hayi zilabantu laba Edgar's is always empty. Edgar's hlale empty but uyathunga every day impahla and every day and ungafika kwamba ufika ukuthi ngicela ubone i-account list ama-account holders so manga abantu bonke laba and bonke laba every month bayashopha but thina sabe singale uyawode.
Anyway, can you just tell the viewers what to look forward to in terms of trade
fair? Trade fair has always been trade fair. Let's be honest. Like singalo, but trade fair, I think, well, I'll try this year. Maybe there's going to be some difference. But inkomo lezazikhona lapha. Inkomo kwathiwa le inkulu. Kule nkomo zonke eZimbabwe ziyadula imbuzi zamasha ilambi idla utshani ave kwefanana
nothing to see here.
Kafanana it's mainly beneficial for people that are in trade and aspiring entrepreneurs and people that because lapana I think in terms of networking there are a lot of chances we'll network because we've got foreign companies that come in also to showcase their products. We've also foreign individuals that come in for ukushopa and what. So for abantu that are looking forward to network and grow their networks, whether it's in business, whether it's in art, or so on and so on. I think it's a good platform. But thina nje sihamba siyabona ikhokho la ephuma amanzi. Akunzima kithi. Akithi kunzima phela kuyafana.
Into one.
Yeah,
And what
kuyafana.
about the events, the upcoming events?
Upcoming events, yeah, it's interesting. I think abantu sebaba njengami sebananzelela ukuthi ukwenza ama-event ngo-April kubuhlungu. Ama-chances okuflopha makhulu because abantu basemtshadweni, abanye bavela tshiya imali ku-Easter, abanye bapreferela yona leyo trade fair, abanye chances of flopping makhulu ngo-April if uku-entertainment. I think kumele sibe sesikwazi sonke by now ukuthi April ubusy, so ngcono sihambe entweni zabo and go and pitch in their own things. Ma uhlabela hambe edinga imitshato kuyahlabela kiyo. Ma uyi-comedian hambe edinga imitshato or ama-corporate events and so on, because a lot of things happen ngo-April. But ngo-May sabe sibaningi, amanye angiwazi. But I know beginning from next week, and the next week, 17 April, just before Independence, we've got Indon Sagusa, Ebulawa Theatre. For those that love Atamia, we are going to be having Indon Sagusa. Then 18 April, Emma Pisas Le Gala, Mahara Igala. Angazi ukuthi intshenku bayasearcha yini egedini ungathi hey mina ngitheni, but risabe sile gala mahala, and into engiyithande ngegala ngeyokuthi sile local so ma-local artists agcwele sibili, so it's time for them to prove themselves whether they can perform for multitudes. Ayikho sithethisana ukuthi hey asiphiwe ama-platform nansi igala iyabithe emabhizi bangakuthanga amambodlela ohlube wazi ukuthi hayi wena uperformela thina labangani bethu singu-16 ungabona la ukwazi ukweqisa abantu aba-10,000 abadakiweyo hayi uyabe fresh. So after igala we go to 11 May. Sengikhohlwa idate yeshow ka-Frank Chirisa. Ngicela livakashele uFrank Chirisa on Facebook and just check out his poster. Sengikhohlwa idate, I'm getting old. 11 May, we've got comedy. That's Mbongeni and Tando Van Moyo. We've got comedy at the Hope Center. It's going for $5 kuphela. 31 May, we've got Amaqaqa. They are launching their album on the 31st of May, Ebulawayo Theatre. Then 30 May, leyo proper entertainment. Proper entertainment on the 30th of May, a fusion of comedy and music, which is General Leslie and Misfits. La uyabona ukuthi umnandi la. So 30 May, ama-Elibet nanga sokusela amalutshwana ama-Elibet. So ama-Elibet ngikhangele ukuthi next week abe phelile sabe sesithengisa ama-ordinary. So Elibets are going for $5. Nangu 5 la. Ama-Elibets, they're going for $5 nanga ama-Elibets. Then usislo thenge Elibet. Elibets are going for $5. And this design is from Oguslet Designs, doing the best and providing the best for people that are the best in the entertainment sector. So $5 ama Elibets, ephela ama-ordinary they are going for $10 and the VIP is going for $20. Ibuya ilama refreshments Jojo. So make sure you get your tickets today. Even say Australia, Japan, England, Malaysia, Ukraine, kumbe Irani, uvika ama-missile, you can just send imali ku-Western Union kumbe kumkuru sabona lathi siyanika ubani itiketi and la uyahleka by faith khona ngapho, and vele anti sizafaka vele video online ukuthi lawe uthi hayi video engayibhadaleyo ile. So make sure you get your tickets for all these events, but specifically for the one on the 30th of May, because kuzahlekwa sibili. I think abanye babelama event up but these days wakumle event. So
thank you so much Leslie for the update on the upcoming events khona lapha koBulawayo la semaphisa. So guys, angeke ukuthi khona wena uswele indawo yokuya, because it seems there's a lot that is happening. And thank you so much for being part of us today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Enkundleni Exclusive. Please do not forget to subscribe like and share. Ungakholisi wedwa, share with others. Ushare ilink yena leyo khona lapho. And also follow Deb3 across all social media platforms. Thina lathi sikhona ku social media, Nondudu Zoncube, yonke indawo, Jen Leslie, yonke indawo, ukhona la. Please do follow. And also subscribe. Khona lapho ku YouTube channel, do subscribe. Ungakhohlwa, if you have an event and you need ama services, our events management, get in touch with Deb3. Usebenza ama contacts analawo akhona lapho ku screen. And also labana abafuna ukugezisa izimota, khona iRoyal Shine Car Wash along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. Sibonane njalo next week.
Yeah, sibona next week. Also kulo ulibhata zokuyibhera kuthiwa kuyini? Notification. No.
Notifications.
Yes. Notification button libhera ongalipressa lapha liyakunika ama-updates of amanye ama-episodes esiyabe siwakhiphile. Thina nje Deb3, we've got Pass and Move, we've got Ingwalo Labalobi, we've got Enkundleni, we've got Vuleka, to mention just a few. So uyabubona lawa ama-notification of ama-podcast abephumile khombani ukwenzela la uhlalo up to date. From mina, uJohn Leslie, lo Nondudu Zoncube sithi salibona singalikhangela.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndaba esekudwini